At Best Buy Business, we'll give you time back so you can focus on what matters most, which is home building and quality of construction. Most builders, some of the biggest pain points that they're facing is they want to specialize in what they specialize in. They want to build a home and they don't want to mess around with anything else. They want to put smart home in because they know that smart home needs to be there for the person that's buying the home. But what they don't want to do is be tech support. As a partner from our perspective, we get the ability to take over all of that to allow them to continue to do what they do best and allow us to plug in with what we do best. So as time and technology starts to evolve and grow, the buyer continues to evolve and grow as well, and they have all of these expectations for what goes in there. Buyers are younger or experienced or grew up with technology, and it becomes the standard, right? They expect cameras outside, they expect an alarm system, they expect monitoring, and that's where we get to play a really important part in that, because that's what Best Buy does, is we work with technology, and they want that, they need that, and our builders are starting to understand that that's how their buyer's evolving. When you think of the technology component in the appliance and the things that anything that Best Buy Business sells, we have that ability to be that one single point of contact. Beyond just sourcing the products, one of the things that we can actually offer to the builders is the vendor relationships that we have. A lot of them, they specialize in hardware and door frames and toilets and PVC piping and things like that. We know what matters to the consumer because that's what we specialize in as a company anyway. We also get to be tech support on the back end, make sure that the products that are selected do what they're expected to do. We offer a really cool smart home program that when you buy a home from a builder, you turn your key for the first time after you close down the home, and all your technology that you pre-selected prior to buying the home is sitting right there. Geek Squad will actually come out, install everything for you, and actually put the phone in your hand and show you how it all works. We give you time back. You've got one person that's gonna manage those things from start to finish for you. Our account manager that specializes in you as a client, but behind the scenes, we have teams of operations, fulfillment, and project managers. So if you think about what we're capable of doing as a company, you get the benefit of that on Best Buy Business as well. Since 1966, we're still around because of the people and the culture that we have. The genuine care and love that you would experience when you walk into our stores and talk to a blue shirt, we're the extension of that in the professional sales arm that actually works in the builder space. And we care a lot about how we show up and serve, care about you, we care about the solution, and we care about the end user being the home buyer. We're really excited to work with you. Let's make the complex simple. Connect with an account manager today.